Alright guys, so today I'm gonna have an unboxing, but I'm gonna be filming it outside. So if you guys let me know if you guys like this new setup or if you guys like it in the room better. But alright, so we're gonna do a different kind of unboxing this time around. This is from TheVioletBarn company. Okay, different packaging, and here they are. So I got two kinds of Hoyas, but I got two of each. Okay, this is like a little burrito right here. Nice little burrito. There they are. These were $12 a piece. Just gonna see how they look. I've never ordered from them before, so we'll know. The first one is I think this one is LIMONIACA. The first one. The second one. This one is damaged. Here's the second one. The other one. Okay, so here are the two Hoyas that I got from TheVioletBarn. Now there are two of the same, just to make a nice full plant. So essentially each little pot here was $12. So these two a piece were $12. These are both, as you can see, Hoya LIMONIACAs. And there are the leaves. Nice and healthy vines. The leaves are also very nice and succulent. They have light veining on them, but you can definitely see the veining on the leaves. But here's the first one, and I think for the price it's a really good deal. You can see the tendril also in this one. Very nice. So that's the first one. Moving on here to the side, we have Diptera. This one has a bit rounder leaves, a little bit bigger than the other one. You can see the leaves right there, super nice, a nice green color. I really like it, and I really like the size of the plants. They're kind of like starter plants, but for the price you get to see them grow. I'm going to combine both of these pairs so to make a fuller Hoya, and I'm going to put it in coconut husks. There we go. Alright, and here they are, potted up in a nice 4-inch pot. So the first one here is Diptera. Nice Hoya. And then LIMONIACA. Move it up a little bit. Here it is. Alright guys, so then I'm finished. This is where I put the Hoyas. This is the LIMONIACA. And right here we have the Diptera. We're just gonna see how they do here, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna do quite nice. And I have the rest of my Hoyas in here, so you guys can see it. They're all right there. Some of them at the top with peduncles. But yeah. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a comment, rate, and subscribe. And don't forget to share with your friends. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Kapung karigato gozaimashita.